In this Java tutorial, we will talk about polymorphism. Let's learn what polymorphism is by doing an example. I created an object named cat from the cat class. The cat class is empty. It is extended to the animal class. In other words, it can use all the attributes and methods of the animal class. There is a method in the animal class. This method prints a string to the console. I can call the method with the object I created from the cat class using the inheritance property. There is another class named dog. It is extended to the animal class. In other words, it can use all the attributes and methods of the animal class. I create an object named dog from this class. I can call the method with the dog object. This is the inheritance property. We learned this property in the previous lessons. So what is polymorphism? Both objects call the method in the animal class. But we don't always want the method to be called in the inherited class. Sometimes there may be code differences with the methods. We can create methods with the same name in the cat and dog classes. When a method is called from a cat or dog class, the methods in their own classes are called. You can edit the method codes as you wish. This is the overriding feature in Java. I am creating an object from the animal class. I am calling the method using the animal object. The methods in all classes were called individually. I recommend you to watch the following Java tutorials.